Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something that's been a hot topic in the crypto world. Transferring your Shiba Inu SHIB tokens from Coinbase Wallet to Arculus Wallet. If you're holding SHIB and want to secure it in a more hardware-based wallet like Arculus for better protection, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover the latest steps to make sure you're up to date. Before we dive in, a quick reminder. Always double-check your wallet addresses to avoid any costly mistakes, as crypto transfers are irreversible. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up. You'll need the Coinbase Wallet app installed on your phone and your Arculus hardware wallet properly connected and unlocked. Got that? Great, let's get started. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app and log in to your account. Navigate to your SHIB holdings by going to the Assets tab and selecting Shiba Inu. Once you're there, tap on the Send button. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Step 2. Now, switch over to your Arculus wallet. On your Arculus device, go to the main menu and select Receive or Deposit. This will generate a unique wallet address for SHIB. Make sure it's for the Ethereum network, since SHIB is an ERC20 token. Copy this address carefully. Double-check for any typos. Step 3. Back in Coinbase, paste the Arculus wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of SHIB you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. Review the transaction details, including fees, and hit Confirm. You'll need to approve this with your Coinbase authentication method. Step 4. Sit tight while the transaction processes. This usually takes a few minutes on the Ethereum network, but it can vary based on congestion. Once it's done, head back to your Arculus wallet and check your balance to confirm the SHIB has arrived. A few tips to keep in mind. Always use the official apps and websites to avoid scams, and consider the current gas fees on Ethereum. They can add up. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it, folks. You've successfully transferred your SHIB. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto space. See you in the next one.